Welcome, it's Ala. Welcome to my channel. I've got my gloves on because guess what? Today we're going to be testing 4 different types of cookies. Just realized I forgot to put my mic on, so bear with me. Oh, you see, this is real behind the scenes here. Doesn't want to go on. Okay, now you should be able to hear me. Welcome to my channel, it's Ala. Today we're going to be testing 2 more boxes with 4 different flavors of Mega Stuffed Cookies that I have been experimenting with over the last couple of weeks. Now I'm doing a free masterclass. If you haven't signed up yet, it's your chance right now to do it. We will send a replay if you cannot make this day, but you have to register. It's very quick registration. You just need to put your name and your email address. This does not oblige you to anything. You just get into the masterclass. Now at the masterclass, drum rolls please, I'll be also giving you lots of bonuses and free surprises. I always do this with my students because I just believe in giving more value, more knowledge and more technique just to make sure you guys succeed. It's really, really important for me. I've been in the business for the last 12 years, and if you've done any of my courses, you know that you tend to come back. I have 85% comeback rate, which says a lot about my online school. And so I really, really care about my students, and I also really care about the food and the products and the desserts or whatever else that I'm putting out there to make sure you guys succeed. Okay, so this time, this is the hottest trend. Ta-da! It's Mega Stuffed Cookies. If you haven't seen my previous videos, then make sure to check them out. And today I'll be trying 4 more amazing flavors. So shall we get into it? Okay. The first box over here is Ferrero Rocher and triple chocolate. Now I'm wearing gloves so that I can break them in half. And you can see them very, very well. Now, I have not warmed up these cookies. These have been made a couple of days ago, and I just wanted to show you the consistency, the texture, and of course, you know, just to taste it myself. Ideally, the recommendation is always to put them in the oven because then after a few minutes, all that inside is gonna melt. And not only is it gonna look fantastic, it's gonna taste incredible. And that's something I highly recommend. Ta-da! Look at that. Look how gorgeous these are. Hope you're seeing this. So over here we've got Ferrero Rocher, which is the hottest top trending flavor of 2024. We'll see what's going to happen in 2025, but right now it's one of the hottest trends. And I'm just going to show you a close-up. Look at this. Look at this gorgeous, beautiful cookie. Absolutely beautiful. And it's got insane amount of filling in there, but again, it's perfectly balanced. It's not too sweet and not too sugary. It's just perfectly balanced. So, and the second one I have here is triple chocolate cherry. So dark chocolate with chocolate, lots and lots of chocolate, secret chocolate inside, which I'll reveal in the course, and sour cherry. Okay, let's break this aside. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Isn't this gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. And this is the other side. Let's give this a try. I'm going to try the other side. Wow. That is fantastic. There are hazelnuts in the dough, roasted hazelnuts, which adds so much flavor. And oh my God, the filling is just amazing. I can see why this cookie is popular. It's very hard to stop eating that. Obviously, I'm just testing these on camera. I've got my tea. Okay, let's see the next one. Triple chocolate cherry. I don't know if you can see, there's a little cherry insert over there. You can see it's moving. Let's break this. Oof, look at that. Can you guys see? Hopefully you can see because I can't see what I'm showing. Triple chocolate cherry. Now I want to take the bit where it's got a bit of cherry and chocolate chunk. Wow. That is amazing. It's just so perfectly balanced. I really love, I know some people love chocolate and fruit, some others don't. Let me know what type you are in the comment. But for me, it just reminds me of childhood. I don't know why. It's these like candies that we had. I think like chocolate covered cherries or something like that. Wow, look at that. Look at that cherry filling. Hopefully it's, you can see. It's amazing, wow. Now, that's definitely one amazing cookie. Let's see the other two flavors that I have. As promised, I will try them all on video so you get to see. And by the way, we are going to be making all of these flavors on the course. Okay. Next. What a cute box. I still can't get through it. Matcha Passion Fruit and Oreo Chocolate. Wow, look at that. Let's open this up. I don't know what it is. I just love opening gift boxes. I think I like gifts. Baby, did you hear that? I like gifts. I like opening boxes. My boyfriend's outside waiting for me to try all the cookies so he can eat them after me. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Look at that. Passion fruit matcha and Oreo. I didn't add any toppings. Like I said, I mentioned this in other videos. I don't just add the stuff because it's important for me to show you that you can serve them just like that. They're perfect. But if you wanted to add more flavor, you could. Okay. So I've got actually cut up passion fruit and matcha cookie here. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that filling in there. Guys, it's incredible. Now I'm obsessed with passion fruit. So this was one of my obsessions. So I was like, I gotta make this a flavor, and I know the matcha is very popular. So you either love it or you hate matcha, but let's give this a go. Wow. The passion fruit just bursts so much flavor, and matcha is pretty strong too. And again, a lot of people love matcha. I'm actually not the biggest fan of matcha, but I see why people like it. It's almost like a green tea cookie, but I wanted to make it like spicy, you know, exotic with passion fruit in there. And we've got passion fruit ganache and passion fruit confit in there together with white chocolate chunks and matcha cookie. So it's incredible. Absolutely love that. And some more tea. Next one, of course, is one of those super popular flavors, Oreo chocolate chip. Look at that. I'm gonna break it. Again, these are not melted because I didn't warm them up, but I wanted to show you. You know, I think this is important to see what they look like when they're not hot. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at all that filling, Oreos, chocolate, and of course, chocolate chip cookie. Oh my God. Wow. It's just so good. And when it's all melted, it's crazy. Very, very nice Oreo flavor. Again, not too overpowering. Wow. That is so good. Perfectly balanced. I love that. Absolutely love that. So on this note, we have finished testing and trying some of the cookie flavors. Now I have not revealed all of them. There are a couple of surprises, which I'll reveal at the masterclass. Now the webinar that you hopefully have already signed up for is going to be this Sunday, and I'll leave the link down below to join it. Now it's completely free to join. You all just need to put your name and the correct email address, otherwise you will not get my email notifying you when I started the webinar. So make sure you have your notifications on and you check your spam and all sorts of things, because the worst thing that can happen, and it happens every single time, is the students message me later like, hey, I didn't get the link, or I didn't put the right email address, or I missed the webinar. Now, hopefully, fingers crossed, there won't be any issues with technology and I'll be able to just record the webinar and send it to everybody who has registered. So even if you can't make this date, don't worry about it because we will send you the replay and the bonuses will be still active for a couple of days. But I'll probably reveal all of that at the webinar. Now, and if you have any more questions, let me know down below and let me know which cookie looked the best to you. Bye, see you soon.